Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off changing lock screen wallpaper in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to turn off your changing lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper. Now click on add new wallpaper or swipe through to see all other wallpapers that are not changing wallpaper and click on set as current. Once you click on set as current, this is going to change the wallpaper, or go ahead and click on add new wallpaper. Now instead of choosing photo shuffle, you can just go ahead and click on photo, emoji, color, astronomy, or weather. You can also scroll through to select your choice of wallpaper from the available options. So go ahead and select it and then click on add at top right, click on set as peer wallpaper and then hang on. Then you should see the changing wallpaper changed on your iPhone and then you are good. So that is exactly how you can easily turn off changing lock screen wallpaper in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.